Thank you. What page is that, Mr. Interpreter?
Page 74.
Date?
Dated the 13th of November 2023.
Yes. Where I've indicated there, it's a re-examination of Counsel Baloyi of Sergeant Mkhani.
And it states, Mr. Baloyi, yes, the outcome thereof is on then Exhibit MM. Can just put that in record again. The register, it is UU1. Mr. Mkhani, after placing him on the holding cells, I went to see the prosecutor and the matter was not enrolled on the court roll. Mr. Baloyi, yes, then what happened to the accused? Point number 10, Mr. Mkhani, we took him and left with him. Mr. Baloyi, yes, yes, thank you. You were on the N3 freeway, Phosphorus at 14:06:35. When we left the court, Sergeant Mabena noticed that he left his memory stick and his keys at Moroka police station.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Interpreter. This is the re-examination to confirm. May I address the court, my lord? My lord, the reason why canvassing the issue of the docket 534 is because the court also remarked that could not remember the docket of possession of drugs in Phosphorus. The court makes reference to the matter that it recalled for accused number 1, where Sergeant Mkhola was the investigating officer in that matter. Okay. Hence, I was going to request to listen to the records because I want to prove to the court that the witness, Brigadier Gininda, denied having knowledge of this docket. May I proceed, ma'am?
Well, he disputes it. He says he never denied. And I'll check what is the actual state. I'll make a note with a red pen that I should check the evidence on page of the 13th of November, page 74. Okay.
That's correct.
Fine.
So, Brigadier Gininda, according to your experience, as per your evidence, accused number 2 was arrested on a charge of murder under case number 163 of Kwanongoma. And now it is apparent that there was a pending case in Phosphorus against number 2. So, is it your evidence that both matters were not placed on the roll on the 19th of June 2020 in terms of the records?
If I can seek clarity, my lord, which record is counsel referring to?
No, Mr. Gininda, we just read the record relating to the drug matter. And yesterday you testified about the matter that has not been placed on the roll under case number 163.
My Lord, what was read to me, and that's why I asked the question, nowhere in what was read to me was there an indication that there's a pending matter. So that is why I wanted to get a clarity. Which part refers to a pending matter in phosphorus? Because I did not hear that, so that I answer precisely. That's all that I'm asking. Because what was read to me refers to what happened in phosphorus, not a pending matter. My understanding of a pending matter is a matter that is on the roll already. My understanding of the situation that took place on the 19th, the matter of Kwanongoma, as well as the one that they wanted to add accused on, he was never accepted to be added there. Hence, the matter was never involved insofar as Nongoma 163 of 4/2018. That's what I know. I don't have an indication that he was enrolled in phosphorus, and I don't have any information that there was a pending matter against him. That's why I wanted this clarity.
Bengidinga ukuchaziselwa ukuze ngizokwazi ukuphendula ngendlela efanele ngoba uma kukhulunywa ngokuthi kunaleli cala lase phosphorus elingazange lifakwe enkantolo, mina bengidinga ukwazi ukuthi kukhulunywa ngaliphi icala ngoba kunaleli cala la kwaNongoma bese kuba naleli cala la se phosphorus leli eyikuthi la kwaNongoma kula umangalelwa angazange libe liyiswe enkantolo noma libiliswe phambi komantshi. Ingakho bengidinga ukuchaziselwa ukuze ngizokwazi ukuphendula kahle.
Was it not your evidence that that matter was not placed on the roll, the Nongoma case?
Yes, it was not placed on the roll. That's what I said, my Lord.
Thank you.
Ngisho njalo njengoba ungibuza ukuthi angishongo na ukuthi leli yaqala la kwaNongoma alifakwanga kwamantshi uthi yebo, ngisho njalo.
And the accused was in custody under that case, case number 163. Is that so?
Is it now?
Accused number 2, was he in custody, or that means he was arrested under that case number, that case number?
He was
Is that what we agreed on?
No, my Lord, we agree, but you see, you must put it into a right context because
No.
after, no, can I explain, my Lord? On the 16th, when he was arrested, I agree. He was in custody under Nongoma 163 of 4/2018. Up to the time he was taken to forced arrest, up for the magistrate court in forced arrest. Subsequent to that, later, he was then detained on a different case of cocaine. So if the assertion is that on the 16th to the 19th, he was detained under Nongoma case, yes, we're on the same page. But subsequent to his release, he was never in custody on the same case number.
Siyavumelana uma ingabe sithi kusukela nge-16 ukuyofika nge-19 umangalelwa wayekade evalelwe ngaleli cala la kwaNongoma, yebo lokho siyavumelana. Kodwa into esingavumelani ngayo ukuthi naleli cala leli lase phosphorus silibandakanisa kuwo lawo malanga lawo kube kade sekavalelwe ngelinye icala.
Please understand me to say, accused number 2, when he was taken to Phosphorus police station, the case of cocaine at that time did not exist. Did not exist at that time. When a decision was taken by the SPP not to place the matters on the roll in Phosphorus, the cocaine case was not there, because a cocaine case followed after accused number 2 was taken to the place where he was renting a place. Do you agree, sir?
I agree, but also,
Yes.
but subsequent to the decision of the prosecution, my Lord, of the SPP, that's what I'm saying, that after the matter was not enrolled, he was not in detention under Nongoma case. We're on the same page in that part. What I wanted to be clear is that there's no, because I understood the question to be saying he was in detention on the same case even after he was released. That's the part I wanted to be clear.
Bengifuna nje ukususa loludaba lokuthi sizwane kahle ukuthi ngemva kokuthi kuye wangafakwa enkantolo kuleli yaqala la kwaNongoma bese sekavalelwe ngelinye icala. Nangokho ummeli ethi lecala lasephukeni lalikade lingakafiki ngoba umangalelwa wayekade engakayiswa kule ndawo la bekade eqashe khona.
Yes, my concern is immediately after a decision has been taken that they will never place those matters on the roll, was accused number 2, was he not supposed to be released because those matters were not placed on the roll? That's my question. Not placed on the roll in Phosphorus, why was he not released?
But he was released, my Lord. When he was discharged to say the matter is not enrolled, he was released from the charges pending 163 and whatever that was being pursued on. From then, another investigation started that the police were following. It's a different, it is not a continuation. And my understanding, my lord, there's no provision that says if you are released on this matter, then literally the police must let you go if they want to pursue certain things and then start all over again on another day. He was with them. They felt that now that it's been disposed of, let this information of the hoodie be followed. I don't see anything that was unprocedurally done, my lord.
Lolu daba othi uSargeant Mkhandi uyena ongaphendula ngalo. Ummeli umshololo uye wabuza ukuthi ngemva kokuthi lamacala angafakwanga enkantolo kungani umangalelwa wesibini angazange akhululwe. Brigadier umayiphendula mababuza yena ukuthi kungani angazange akhululwe. Uthi uye wakhululwa kodwa ngoba bebusanophenyo ingakho uye kwahanjwa naye bese bekusaphenywa lelicala elehudi kulayi ukuthi umangalelwa akazange akhululwe kodwa kulamacala lawayana njengoba angafakwanga enkantolo uye wakhululwa kulawa macala futhi uthi akazi umthetho othi uma ingabe umuntu kusaphenywa ngaye kwamele akhululwe bese bazobuya bamlande futhi ngemva kokuthi baqedile uphenyo.
That is the reason why we are going to place it before this honorable court and we are going to show this court that immediately after accused or during his arrest and after the matter was not placed on the roll, accused number 2 was still under unlawful detention. May I proceed? When accused number 2 was booked in back to Pretoria North, there's an occurrence book, I think it's MM, wherein he was booked back from investigation. May I confirm that, my lord? But I just want to reiterate on that. When he was booked in back to Pretoria North, under what case number was he booked in?
Can I have that exhibit, my lord, so that I can know what is written there?
When he was booked in.
Kuzwa ukuthi untanzi ngalesikhathi ebuyiswa ePretoria North yena wayekade usabhekwa laphayana.
On what date, my lord, perhaps if counsel can indicate what date is referring to?
No. I beg your pardon, I just want to confirm the OB, page 10. It's page 10. I'll check a little. When you return to is it page 10 or exhibit 10? Page 10 of exhibit 10.
What's happening?
My lord, we need to confirm the occurrence book on the 19th.
Yeah, where is the exhibit? Because you say it's exhibit MM.
Yes.
Where is it?
On page
Is that
10.
what you have handed over to the brigadier?
It's page 10 of,
Yeah, but this one, my lord, I don't think this is the right date. Because it refers to the 17th. The name of the
So-
inmate is different. It's a different person for theft. It's not. It doesn't relate to accused to.
may the court bear with me, I have a side problem.
Why don't you put on spectacles?
Now they are aggravating the condition.
Is it?
Yes.
Because I know Clevers didn't want to put on spectacles.
Now they aggravate.
You see. Why, Mr. Mniso? They used to say you're a moho if you put on spectacles.
The 7th, I think I showed you. The 7th. On the bottom of the page.
Do you want me to adjourn so that you get your exhibits in order so that we know what we are doing? Because the brigadier says that exhibit is of a wrong case.
That one, my lord. But this one, the one that they give me the second time, it relates to accused number 2.
On the same date. Which date is
Well,
it?
it's the 19th of June.
Is that what you're
2020.
referring to?
That's correct.
19th of June.
Yes.
Okay.
To which police station was he booked in?
He was in Pretoria Mode, my lord, on the 19th.
Gay 19 ke uye wafakwa kwesiphi stokisi kuthiwa ePretoria North.
But this entry, my lord, is not about the detention, it's about the charging. When they were charging him in preparation of the court, it's not about the detention, the one that I'm referred to.
Kodwa la lokho ngifundayo akusinga lesikhathi efakwa ummangalelo wesibini ingalesikhathi bemthwesa amacala.
So it relates to him being charged in respect of what? Which case?
I suppose, my lord, it will be Nongoma, although here is blocked because somebody used a pen. But I know when he was there, I know that, my lord, that he was charged for the Nongoma case, the 16304/2018. And Sergeant Mohane was the one charging him.
Is it after now the prosecutor in Boksburg refused to place it on the roll? Or what?
No, this is the morning, my lord.
The morning,
4:35,
okay,
when
fine.
they were preparing to take him to court.
Okay,
on the
fine.
19th. Yes.
Okay.
Nangokho kungabonakali ngoba kunala kunomuntu esule ngepeni kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi la wayekade ethweswa leliyaqala lokwaNongoma bekusekuseni Ntathakusa ngo 25 to 3.
I request to an adjournment. my lord.
Yeah, we need that because
Yeah,
we don't know what's happened.
Yes.
Ucela sibuye ngemva kwesikhathanyana.
Unikezela ngezela.